I watched him suffer, yet he never cursed me. His lips still whispered prayers. His face still glowed with patience. When I sought my reward, Muawiya mocked me.
If you could betray Hassan, how could I trust you with Yazid?
Now I am left with nothing but regret. I betrayed a man whose greatness I will never see again. My name is cursed, while Imam Hassan's light lives on forever.
Imam Hassan, the embodiment of patience and generosity, remains honored for eternity. Betrayal perishes, but the truth of Ahlul Bayt never dies.